Are you looking to tour a home here in the city of Maricopa? Let's tour this home in Sorrento, an amazing subdivision here in Maricopa, Arizona. And are you looking for one of the best real estate agents in the city of Maricopa? I'd love to have the opportunity to be your realtor. I'm James Sanson with Real Broker. Sorrento is an amazing subdivision with a lot of green belts, tot lots, different activities like tennis, basketball, so forth here in the city of Maricopa and Sorrento. Sorrento offers just a relaxing, peaceful environment, as you can see with their different amenities that they offer. You can see why so many people who live in Sorrento like to call this home. As a real estate agent who specializes here in the city of Maricopa, I've been helping out buyers and sellers just like yourself since 2004. If you'd like to have an amazing website to use MaricopaHomesForSale.com. The city of Maricopa is just south of Ahwatukee, Chandler, and Gilbert, Arizona. So again, my name is James Sanson, a local real estate agent that specializes in the city of Maricopa. And I'd love to answer any of your real estate questions. Let's tour this amazing home for sale here in Maricopa and Sorrento. This is a 3-car garage home. Come on inside, let's take a look at this beautiful home. This is a 3,900 plus square foot home, roughly 3,921 square feet. If you want space and bedrooms, this is the home for you. Absolutely beautiful backsplash. You're looking at a large great room, so leaving the kitchen, entering to the dining room, into the living space, TV, entertaining, you name it. And what's even better than this is that you have this bonus room that you can fully enclose. You can turn it into a bedroom. You can turn it into a media room, a game room, an office, you name it, because it has the space that you need. Right here is a perfect spot. You can add the closet. For this area too, it comes with a full bathroom right next to it. So this could become another primary suite for downstairs if you wanted it or needed it. It's so versatile. So back to the front, this whole area has kind of a circular ability currently, unless you were to enclose that area. So let's go upstairs and take a look at this absolutely beautiful home for sale in Sorrento. Again, with this absolutely beautiful home here in the city of Maricopa, it's so versatile with all the rooms that you have. So you have space and the ability to do what you need to do inside of your house. Now look at the size of this bedroom. This is so amazing. The builder well thought this one out when they designed it, giving you the maximum amount of space that you probably would desire and want. And again, the details. And if you need space for your closet, plenty of space. A nice soaking bathtub, a nice shower. It just feels so elegant. Well thought after. And if you want to tour this home, my name is James Sanson. Call me, 520-838-8037. I'd love to schedule a private tour for you to see this home. Just plenty of space. And these aren't small rooms. And one thing I love about this home, that's so fun. Rarely, if any time, do I ever see someone do that. Again, plenty of space. and a large upstairs secondary bathroom. If you wanted to, you could add a double vanity because you have plenty of space still right here to take up for that. But plenty of space for you to use and enjoy with this floor plan. I used to live in a similar, if not same floor plan as this home, and this is actually, I use this space for my office. I had my dry erase board right up here, keeping track of everything I need to be doing. It was a great use for myself. You can use it as a formal loft, a workout room, whatever you want. Again, space. This home comes with the space. And another nice thing about this home, there will never be a direct neighbor behind you. It backs up to basically a green belt that allows you to have always that additional privacy, so you're not having to have someone look into your backyard in the event that you wanted to add a swimming pool to it. So this wraps up the tour of this beautiful home. Again, my name is James Sanson. You can call me directly at 520-838-8037. Get any questions. I know the city of Maricopa. I specialize in the city of Maricopa. I'm totally into real estate here locally in the city of Maricopa. So I know the finite details. So if you're looking to list your home, if you're looking to buy a home, if you're looking for help to rent out your home, or if you're looking to rent a home, reach out to me because I'm here to help everybody when it comes to real estate. Thanks for touring this beautiful home with me. And the neighbors are asking, won't you be our neighbor?